No motor vehicles on bridge. Bikes are considered motor vehicles, right? Let's give it a go. You know what? Let's walk. Yep, let's not risk it. Wow. Hey guys. Rod here. On a new video. Right now, we are in Eva Beach, cycling at the West Loch Shoreline Park. We're gonna do a big loop and work our way back to the park. We're gonna cross some residentials. I've been looking forward to this ride. Two things. I wanted to thank you all the new subscribers and the viewers, both on YouTube and on Instagram. Thank you. We hit 13 subs within the first week of uploading, so that's awesome. Thank you guys. Second thing, I bought a windslayer, which is pretty much just a piece of foam that hugs the GoPro, and it should help with wind noise. Let me know how it sounds. Is it okay? Is it better than before? Or can you guys tell the difference? I tested it out for a bit at home with a fan, and I was talking over the fan. That's not really similar to how it would really be being outdoors, but from what I could tell, it did fine. It only cost me like 12 bucks. But yeah, if you guys have any recommendations, you guys are familiar with GoPros, or at least action cam recording in general, let me know. I'm always interested in improving my recordings. We're gonna be riding on the street for a little bit, or the sidewalk, and then we'll shift over. It's actually okay to ride in residentials on the sidewalk in Hawaii, just as long as you're mindful and you yield to pedestrians, because this is technically a vehicle. I'm gonna take a left here. Oh, giant rock here for some reason. Our turn should be coming up. Just want to make sure there are no cars behind me. Wow, it's a gorgeous day out today. Okay, I think this is it. Kapapapui. All right, let's go. Oh, this is a steep one. Let's go slow. Damn, that's a major hill to bomb on. Oh. Okay, let's go. For those of you that are new to my channel, welcome. I'm Rod, live in Oahu, and picked up cycling for the first time. Well, not for the first time since intermediate maybe. But yeah, welcome, thank you. Let me know how you found the channel. I've been making a lot of reels or shorts, and I'm having a blast doing those, and especially engaging with all my friends and viewers. So if you like this content, or if you have any feedback, let me know. I'm eager to read them. To the left of us, we just have a bunch of shrubs, but on the other side of it, there's West Loch. We'll get a view of it later on. Compared to my last video, this one's more of a bike path out of, traffic, besides the first half that I went to get here. But this can be all completely no motorists section. Here's a portion, if you guys can see. Move that there. Hope the angle's good. Only did a brief check. If not, I'll just come back and cycle again. I don't mind this ride. You get that nice shorefront breeze. We rode here with Judy, my fiance, not too long ago. That was the first time I ever rode here, and that was fun. All right, this is the actual park here. We'll go take this left at the fork. Get the real good views. We'd have to loop around in a different direction. Let's try it out. Oh, there it is. Wow. Let's try to get a better angle. There you go. So what I researched online, this is part of the West Loch fairways. Pretty much the front half of Ewa Beach, and this area, this route or this bike path was in development for a while, and it connects two parks. This is the first one, West Loch Shoreline, and the one that we might be heading to today, depending on the time, is Ossing Park, which is further south. We'll see if we can go there. But there is a very treacherous, steep climb up ahead. If I take a right at the fork, I think we might bypass it. And attempt it a later day. Oh no, I either have to go on the dirt or I'm gonna have to suffer. We'll give it a go. I think it's like an 8% grade. Let me try. Not too bad with the ZiZZO. The first time I tried it, it was with the Dahon Speed Uno, and that's a fixed gear. And that was a bad idea. I was not expecting an 8% grade. So when I did tackle it with the 1-speed, I was miserable. Now not so bad. Maybe my leg strength is developing a little bit more. But we're approaching right now the actual parking spot or parking place. Up ahead. Let's check my blind spots. Yeah, to our right, we got a nice big parking spot. We're gonna go ahead and go straight. There are some petroleum pipes here, which is pretty crazy, but you know, I guess it has to go somewhere. Oop. I should have braced myself there. Whew. Not too bad. Handled it well. Okay, let's see. Take a right here. I guess we're going the whole route. Should be a lot of shade, canopy trees up ahead. I see more lakes too. I hope the GoPro can pick it up, and I hope my angle's good too. That's the main concern. But yeah, those of you that are active on YouTube, I have a community tab on my channel. I'd appreciate it if you guys check out the polls that are available there. I'll be posting there intermittently. Right now, I'm asking you folks, if you don't mind, of course, voluntary, if you guys like or prefer, when you guys are watching cycling content, hold on, hill, no bump there, if you guys prefer commentary or more of an immersive experience. I don't mind both. Oh, you know what? Let me slow down here. Wow. I believe this is Honolulu, one of the reserves. You can see some storks here on the website of West Loch Fairways. They advertise those storks, or what kind of birds they are. I didn't dive deep into it. Yeah. This is a preservation. That's awesome. Looks like they cut down the trees. This used to be, well, on Google Maps, they showed these are trees. I'm gonna go ahead and cross the bridge. No motor vehicles on bridge. Bikes are considered motor vehicles, right? Let's give it a go. You know what? Let's walk. Yep, let's not risk it. Wow. Hope you guys can see that. Wow, people just walk here or run here. There's the petroleum pipes down there. All right. Hope that caught. Okay, let's get back on the horse. Yeah. But yeah, if I sound funny, it could be one of two things. It could be the windslayer that I just installed. Oh, you know what? I wonder if I turned off the wind reduction. I hope I did. Oh well, that's okay. What's one? Second, I just got a filling on my tooth and a portion of my mouth is numb. Sorry if that's TMI for you guys. Hello. Wow, pretty active route. I like it. So this is mainly servicing the there's a bridge here. Okay, not as not as spooky as the other one, but this is mainly servicing the Ewa Beach area. But there's so much parking at the park spaces. I know that sounds weird. Two different parks, but yeah, it looks like there's a lot of parking available if you want to drive down here. Wow, I'm loving this. No cars. Only have to do like the occasional head checks just in case someone's behind me. Another cyclist, but other than that, this is great. Nice and quiet. We got some nice birds too. Check out that bird. I'm gonna have to search that up, research what that kind of bird is. Oh, and what is this? Oh. Wow. Should I check it out? We'll check it out later. Wow. Oh, that's a sinkhole. Oh, I want to check that out. Maybe when I come back. All right. Wonder how close we are to Osing Park. you know, there are some bumps here and there, but it's mainly flat, which is good. I would trade that over cycling on the main roads any day if there's no bike path. Slightly rough, but that's no problem with me. All right, let's see here. Dirt path. Housing. Let's go down here. Oh, okay. Wonder if this leads anywhere. Ah, okay. Interesting. Roads are narrow, but that's fine. You can fit at least 2 cyclists going opposite directions. To our right we have residentials. To our left we have more of the loch here, covered by this stone wall. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this cycle so far. This portion I'm unfamiliar. This is my first time. Well, oh, you know, I wanted to do a special shout out to Judy. Thank you for sharing my account. Thank you for sharing my account on your Instagram. Appreciate it so much. Those of you that aren't following Judy, we'll go ahead and put a link to her shop in the description below. Go ahead and check it out. She makes cute stationery and illustrations. If you guys are looking for art, highly recommend. 10 out of 10. I'm not just saying that because she's my fiance. She's a really talented artist. I've been half jokingly asking her to make me a cycling jersey while I cycle, and I can advertise your store and a bunch of other people's store too. That would be nice. That'd be just a fun, silly goal. But who knows? Looks like they have some construction over there. Oh, branch. I'm gonna turn around here. Construction area. I don't want to bother with that. So we're gonna make a nice U-turn at this post. All right. You know what? Let's go a little bit further. Ah, there it is. The park. You know what? I think this is a good place to stop. I didn't even know they're developing here. But thank you guys for joining me on this trail. Hope you guys have a lovely day. And I'll see you guys in the next video. This might be a two-parter, but we'll see. That being said, thanks for watching, guys. Peace.